Oh, what happened here? Oh, my head feels fuzzy. What's going on? Wait, what's this? This is high premium silver. This is expensive. Why would I buy that? This is bulky. This doesn't make any sense. Oh, my head hurts. Throat's dry. Oh, yes. Need something to drink here. Oh, much better. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see it now. This is beautiful. These are classic characters that have been popular ever since the beginning. Yes. Who doesn't love Jack and Sally? And check out that reeded edges and the special heart shape. Oh, it's made by the New Zealand Mint. Oh yes, this is beautiful. Who wouldn't want something like this? This is great. What's up YouTube? It's the Wasatch Wizard. Last year I was buying a bunch of high premium silver. Actually, this is my full stack here of all of it. I thought it'd be fun to come back a year later and see how it came out, if it was still worth it or not. So I have with me my lady wizard, who has no idea what's going on. But I wanted to ask you, my lady, why don't you pick some of these that you really like, and we'll see. I have here what I paid for and how much it's worth now. So let's see what you like. Okay, that one is the Love's Precious Two Doves. I bought it last November, so it's actually one of the newer, well, it's the newest one that we have. Paid $89 for it. Last sold on eBay for $99. So it's gone up in $10 in value. What else do you think? Do you want to pick another one? Or you just really like that one? I know you like this one, right?
For it is plain, as anyone can see, we're simply meant to be.
Sure.
Yeah, so this is actually the one that's done the best. It's the first one we bought. We paid $95 for it. Not right now, it's on eBay for $170. So it's gone up $75 in value. Almost double. What else do you think?
Let's try for Minnie.
Minnie?
Come in.
Minnie was an interesting one. Where is she? Okay. That's actually doing really well. We paid $99 for it, and right now it's on eBay for $120. So it's actually, yeah, doing really well with that one.
May as well go for Mickey.
Yeah, Mickey actually surprised me. Because Mickey sold out in like 5 minutes, something like that. I saw one sold on eBay for $1,000 before they were even shipped. I actually bought two of these. I think I paid $99 for them each. I sold one for about $160. That one actually sold on eBay most recently for $88. So that was actually the worst one. I guess that's the thing with high premium silver. You want to sell it on the wave if you're going to flip it. Well, it's so popular.
Hello there.
I think he looks funny.
It's my space wizard. Obi-Wan, again, bought it for $99. All sold for $129, so that's up $30. Another good one.
I think you just want me to go through all of them anyway.
I guess. I didn't know how long this would take. But yeah, the Mickey Mouse is the only one where, well, that's all Mickey and Friends. This is the only series I've tried to get all the way, which also is getting kind of tired of at the end. So Daisy bought for $99. Last sold for $95. I'll just tell you the same thing with Donald Duck. These two did not do well. I actually thought they would do more after this, but I think they stopped.
Go, Minnie. You never did do Goofy.
Well, they never sold the Goofy as a chibi coin. I think they just weren't selling as well because the characters are so static on the coins. And they tried doing this again with more dynamic poses, but yeah, just didn't work out well.
I still think he looks like he has olives
Yeah.
eyeballs.
You know, other people have said that too.
A wizard is never late. He arrives precisely when he means to.
Gandalf. Where's Gandalf on here? Oh, there's Gandalf. Oh, that was a funny one. I saw two that were sold at the same time. One was for $110 and one was, one was $100, one was $112. So somewhere in there, average it out, I guess it's about $7, which is actually pretty good.
Olive face.
Olive face. Thanks.
Green olives. Gross.
Glad you love my wizard so much.
Not really.
You shall not pass!
Well, I guess I should listen to you more and with stuff like that.
Yes.
Actually, there was a Jack Skellington one. I think that was not even better than this one. She's nodding here quietly. While all Cornstaggers just look at me. Smiling and laughing.
Oh, I forgot what was on the back of this one.
Yeah, they all have the queen on the back. I'll see these chibi coins are kind of weird on the back.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, actually, that's the weird thing with coins. Let's look at Obi-Wan here. So there's the front. There's the back with the queen. Although I guess because it's the queen and the queen is on the obverse, this is the head side and this is the tail side of the coin.
Hello there.
Yeah, it's really weird.
So why is their face on both sides?
Because coins have, yeah. Coins have changed a lot since those terms were made a long time ago. Any parting words here, Lady Wizard? Jesus, how quiet. Laughing.
Pretty much.
Okay, well, I guess that does it for today's Premier Train. I'll link down below for the next person in the Premier Train. Thanks for watching. Have a magical day.